On August 14th in 2020, a big thunderstorm was coming over the Main-Taunus-Kreis area. Here you can see the Königstein roundabout, which was flooded particularly with water. Because two ways were blocked, you couldn't go forward, you couldn't turn around and go back. People went crazy. They used the normal street as a one-way street and blocked the entire street. Also in Kelkheim-Fischbach was lots of rain in the streets. It was a little river coming down. You see our direction to Kelkheim was free, the other direction was stuck traffic. As you probably know, in Bad Soden am Taunus I have my two driving schools, and here you can see right in front of the driving school door you see the Königsteiner street, and this was a real river coming down the Königsteiner street. And of course, where should the water go if it's on the lowest part of Bad Soden? Yes, it's going down into the underground car parks. The fire trucks were coming from all sides and trying to get the water out. Here you can see the Tegut parking in Bad Soden and the entrance to my underground car park. The water level inside the car park was 1.2 meters. All cars inside the car park were destroyed completely. You cannot use them anymore. Also, motorcycles were inside the underground car park. This is my Volkswagen Tiguan. I picked it up 1 week ago on 8th of August. I picked it up as a brand new car in Wolfsburg. It had less than 1000 kilometers on the clock, and here you can see a completely destroyed car. The water level was lightly below the steering wheel. Outside you could find dents because the water lifted the car up and placed it 30 meters away from my car park, from my parking spot. Inside, everything wet. I opened the bonnet to see what's under the bonnet, and no wonder, water was everywhere. The air filter, the engine, the gearbox, the battery, everything was flooded by the water. On the driver's seat you can see my two power banks. They are also not working anymore. Fortunately, I had not much stuff inside the car, so I didn't lose a lot except of the car. Everything is covered by the insurance, so they can pay for everything to the Volkswagen leasing company, and I need to order a new car for the driving school.